Try this again. The first video, I didn't have the microphone plugged in. So this is not gray boxing. This is just me making a test arena to test our tools that makes our game unique. We are combining old Quake with old TFC. And to do that, we needed to make flags that you could steal and create a whole flag system, which is this guy here. And I'll tell you now, this is a complicated script to come up with. None of these come with a game. You have to make all this. So I made the flag system. I need to make new flags. I need to make everything now. Now that I have my tools, the flags work. When you go into game, I built this GUI for tracking scores too. The last thing to do today is test the kills. I have the flag captures and the play time. It's all good. This is what makes our game different. We have jump pads, which was not easy to make either. Oh, that's my flag. We just gotta test this stuff today. Oh, that was weird. I just jumped out of the game. And these are the things that happen when you build games and stuff. But another big problem I had was yes. So we tested our flag systems. That's a blue flag. That's a red flag. We just have to test our kills. Our spawn points are working. So there's just basically all of our tools are working. All our sounds are put in.
Your team has the enemy flag.
Look at that. Once you go outside the arena, I can't get back in because I'm in testing. But anyways, you get the gist of it. We have a flag system put in. You can steal the flags. You can return the flags. You can drop the flags. We've tested everything except for shooting a live player with a tag, with a flag, and making sure it drops and someone else can pick it back up. Which is in our flag script, which is just a massive task for me to figure out how to build. Everything had to be made from scratch. When you make a game like this, the studio just has the bare basics, the physics, the prims, and then you do your own scripting and put everything together. We're gonna go with this sky I made here, and this will be torn down after we test live shooting players, and an arena will be built, and that's what will be called gray boxing. We'll do next, where we lay everything out in gray prims, like basically a floor plan, and then we build mesh walls and everything around it to make it look nice, like an arena, like a real game, which it will be. Once we get all that done, we'll do some more final testing, and I'll grab some people from Discord and do some beta testing. And from there, we should be able to launch the game. So now that I have the pertinent tools built, we have res pads, we have return flags, we have flag systems, and we have a GUI. That's all you need from here except for setting up the monetary system, which I'll have them pay several tokens to play the game, and then those tokens you can cash in for dollars. And we'll go from there, step by step. I want to do this as organic as possible and build a community with it, and then make the next map changes by the community's input. So this project is going to be kind of like game building and community building, because that's real important. You can make the coolest games in the world, but if you don't have the right people at the right time to start playing them and demoing them, it never goes anywhere. So throughout this documentary I'm going to make here on game building, we're also going to do some community building, which will use Discord, which I have a Discord server, and I have one for my Second Life builds, and I know lots of people on Discord. So hopefully we can attract some players and do some testing through that and build our community. And that's going to be it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.